Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about cartoon animation videos tutorial in Canva. How you can create this one in Canva, and it will be a complete beginner tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see, we are already in our Canva and this is our interface of the home. So you just need to create an account for using the Canva, and Canva is totally a free platform, so you can use it as it you want. So I'm going to search a template that will be video, or you can choose these options from that place. So I'm going to click on video, then choose the video landscape. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to the next page where I'm going to give a title, and the title will be cartoon. So as you can see, this is our template, this is the blank, and I'm going to make a design on here with the cartoon view. So for that reason, I'm going to click on element, and in the search email I'm going to search for cartoon city, and let's enter the hit button, and here we will have some options. Let's click on share, see all, and here you can see we have some options. So we need to find out which one will be relevant for our design. So I need to be scroll down. So here I didn't find out anything, so I'm going to search cartoon straight, and let's go check this out. Yeah, I think there's some up, so I'm going to copy this one and I will be drag and drop here, and now you can see this is our cartoon straight, and I'm going to add some visualization over here who is walking through this road. So I'm going to add cartoon walking. Let's see, does we have any of them? Let's find out. You need to be scroll down to getting the real results. So yeah, this one not that much cool, so I need to find out and scroll down until you find out the one real one. So let's go and scroll down again. Let's include animation word in here. As you can see, we have some of them in here. As you can see, these all are the animations. So let's scroll down. I think this may be good. I already chose this one, but I don't find out this was good for me. So I searched the lady walking and I found that one. This one may be a good choice for me, so I'm going to include this one into my cartoon design, and I'm going to change the position. Not the position, I'm going to change the flip, so this one will be good. So as you can see, our lady has been walking through this pasture, so I'm going to reduce the size. Yeah, this size will be good. So now our design has been complete. Like I can say that 20% work has been done. So here we just need to add some animations. So how we can add animations, like a lady will be cross the road and then you will be disappear. So here I'm going to go select this one, then here in the top you will get the option called animate. Just click on animate, and here we have couple of animation options. General, then we have add-on effects. So here you can see the lady will be rotate, then flicker, then wiggle. It will be wiggle him, her. So I just want to add a custom animation that will be cross him through this one. So I'm going to create an animation. Just click over here, and now you can see how you can create this. Just hold shift with this dragging to create a straight line. So I'm going to hold this shift button, just click here, and then you just need to be cross this one to create an straight line. So as you can see, it has been done, and you can see the animation is not smooth, so I need to be go over here in the movement style, and here I will select on that will be smooth, and let's see, it looks nice. No, I think it's not enough good, so I'm going to make it steady. Let's see. Yeah, steady is really amazing, and it's feel that yes, she is walking through the road. And let's play it, and as you can see, our cartoon views is almost ready, and it looks amazing. Yeah, and if I want to add more, I just will click over here, add page. Once I click over here, then I will copy this background and I will paste it here. Once I paste it here, then you will see that our views has been added. So here I just want to change something so it looks nice, so I add this, and I will duplicate this image and I will add it here. Let's flip it, and let's try it, and let's duplicate it again, and let's flip it, and let's place it here. So now you can see that it looks seamless, and make it wisely. So now we don't find out any differentiation between this one, so make it group. And now let's go into the previous one, and I'm going to copy this lady from that place to this one. So come back this one, and here I place it. Let's place it here, and let's play it. So here she is walking, so I want to do some changes over here. So how could I change it? Just select it, and then I will come back to animations, and here I will come back to and create animations again. So just hold the shift button, and let's go over here, and let's go over here. First of all, I just want to remove this one, just delete the path, and now I will add the animation. So here you can see he will be cross the road over here, and now she will be walk through this road, and she will cross the road. So as you can see, it's really amazing right now, it's incredible. And now you can see, let's play it from the beginning, and let's start it. So here you can see it's walking through the road. I think I found out a problem over here, that is, so I just want to add a seamless transition over here. Here you can see we have the option for add transition. So I'm going to add a transition over here. Just click over here, and then I can add slide, crossover. I think match move, no mistake. I think line whip will be look good. So let's run it. So you can see it looks really amazing, and it's really seamless. So that's why it looks really amazing. I hope how you can make a cartoon animation in Canva you understand after watching this video. If you have any question related towards this video, then you can ask me in the comment box. I will give you the reply. If you have any confusion about this, you can ask me on the comment box. And if you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.